Good morning, students. Today we are going to understand two sums from accounting ratios and analysis. Sum number 4's first sum. Here we have to determine gross profit ratio. Then the formula for gross profit ratio equals to gross profit divide by net sales multiply by 100. Then gross profit is given 3 lakh, net sales is given 10 lakh, multiply by 100. Then we will get 3 lakh multiply by 100 divided by 10 lakh and we will get 30%. This will be our answer for gross profit ratio, 30%. Next, sum number 4's second sum. Here also we have to find out gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio equals to gross profit divide by net sales multiply by 100. Students, here gross profit is not given, so we have to find out. So in first video, in first part, you have seen that the formula for cost of goods sold equals to sales minus gross profit. From this formula we can find out gross profit. COGS means cost of goods sold is given 12 lakh, sales is given 15 lakh. Then we have to find out gross profit. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इक्वल्स टू के इस तरफ आएगा तो प्लस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट 15 लाख एंड 12 लाख इक्वल्स टू के इस तरफ आएगा तो माइनस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. माइनस 12 लाख. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इक्वल्स टू 15 lakh minus 12 lakh means 3 lakh rupees. So in formula gross profit 3 lakh, net sales is 15 lakh, multiply by 100. 3 lakh multiply by 100 divided by 15 lakh, then we will get 20%. And it is our final answer for gross profit ratio equals to 20%. Next sum. Here this information is given. Here sales is given 20 lakh and sales return is given 2 lakh. So first of all we will find out net sales. Net sales means sales minus sales return. Sales is 20 lakh minus sales return is 2 lakh. Then net sales will be 18 lakh rupees. Then we can find out cost of goods sold. The another formula for COGS is opening stock plus purchase expenses minus closing stock. Opening stock is 2,50,000 plus purchase is 12 lakh, purchase expenses 50,000 minus closing stock is 3,50,000. So 2,50,000 plus 12 lakh plus 50,000 minus 3,50,000 equals to 11,50,000. We have to find out here gross profit. So COGS equals to sales means here net sales minus gross profit. COGS is 11,50,000, net sales is 18 lakh, gross profit we have to find out. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इक्वल्स टू के इस तरफ आएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा और 11,50,000 इक्वल्स टू के इस तरफ जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस 11,50,000. देन ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इक्वल्स टू 6,50,000 rupees. Then formula for gross profit ratio equals to gross profit divided by net sales multiply by 100. Gross profit is 6,50,000 divided by net sales is 18 lakh multiply by 100. 6,50,000 multiply by 100 divided by 18 lakh equals to 36.11%. This one is our final answer for gross profit ratio. Now next sum number 5. Here we have to find out operating ratio, and for that purpose we have to need cost of goods sold which is given and operating expense. Here operating expenses are not given, so we have to find out operating expenses equals to depreciation plus administrative expenses plus sales expenses. So depreciation is 48,000, administrative expenses 75,000 and sales expenses is 52,000. 48,000 plus 75,000 plus 52,000 equals to 1,75,000. These are operating expenses. Now we have to find out operating ratio. Operating ratio equals to cost of goods sold plus operating expenses divided by net sales multiply by 100. Then COGS is 3,25,000 plus operating expenses we have found out 1,75,000. Net sales is given 6 lakh multiply by 100. Then 3,25,000 plus 1,75,000 equals to 5 lakh divided by 6 lakh multiply by 100. Then 5 lakh multiply by 100 divided by 6 lakh, we will get 83.33%. Then this is our final answer for operating ratio. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट सम्स के साथ। स्टूडेंट्स आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।